Doug, we still have a lot of customers that are really just embarking on this cloud journey, and I'd be really interested to get your take. Can you give me 3 top tips that we could give customers right off the bat if they're just starting out?
Yeah, I think there are a couple of considerations to take, and a lot of people have even moved to cloud a little bit and haven't really done anything on controlling it too much yet. So I think we do still see a little bit of that. So for me, the first bit is around really visibility, right? So know what you have.
Yeah.
Get a view of what cloud infrastructure have you deployed, what applications are you trying to run, all that good stuff. So get a view of what you have, because you can't protect what you don't know.
Yeah,
exactly right. And then it's the second step, or the second tip for me would be is who is accessing that particular information. So it's back to that identity piece, right? So who's accessing it, and what is that application's normal behavior? Like what is it interacting with as well, right? So who's it interacting with? Which database server does it talk to? Which load balancer does it use to run in parallel, right? All those good things. Try and get a view of that, and then it's about implementing controls. And what I would say about the way the controls are implemented is to implement a zero trust mindset.
Absolutely, zero trust is something that's often really misunderstood.
Yeah, it is, because a lot of people think it's a tool or it's something they can purchase, a piece of software. It isn't, right? You have different aspects of zero trust, but it's really a methodology and an architectural approach or mindset to how you do security, right? So couple of things there that are really important are the key pillars of zero trust. So how do I get least privilege enforced, so that it's important about the who and the access they need to the application, right? Does Doug really need access to all of Cisco's salary info? Be great fun for me. I mean, I'd poke a lot of fun. A lot of people just, and might get upset too to find out people are earning more than me. But the point is, I only need access to my salary info, right? I don't need all the others. And then there was the continuous verification piece, which is
so important.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Doug's connecting in Brisbane.
Yeah.
What is he now doing in Los Angeles, or what is he doing somewhere else, right? Make sure that connection is continuously being verified, not just the first time he authenticates, he's good to go. Is he still on the same machine? Is it a trusted device? And that leads us to the third pillar, which is really the risk-based assessment of that connection, right? So if you think and you apply that to every single thing you're trying to design and do, you'll actually end up in a really good place in terms of the controls that you implement in your cloud environment.
Doug, some really good insights there. You know, the 3 things you talked about: visibility, access, and controls. You know, we're working with customers in those areas all the time, so we're really well positioned from a Data 3 perspective to help our customers make that leap into cloud, make sure they're doing it securely. And obviously Cisco has all the solutions and services, you know, that we use to make sure that they do, you know, remain secure in the cloud. So thank you very much for those 3 tips.
Yeah, absolute pleasure, and always good to share with a like-minded cybersecurity professional.
Thank you, Doug. And if you'd like to learn more about what we've spoken about, please go to data3.com/Cisco Security. You'll see our solutions and services, and it's from there that you can access one of our Cisco security specialists. Thank you very much.